How to customize drop-down menu in Wix 2025. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can customize your very own drop-down menu in Wix in 2025. So to do this for yourself, what you are going to be doing is first of all, you're going to make sure that you have a full-fledged navicon or navigation menu to work with. So for this, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go over to add elements, and right here you can go ahead and add the different menus by yourself with these strips that we have, or you can go over to menu and anchor. Now, here's our menu and anchor that you can go with the horizontal menus that we have over here. Now, once we have these horizontal menus, let's say I want to go ahead with this one over here, right? So once we add that, here you can see we have the whole menu to work with. So you can create it into a drop down by basically doing this. And what's going to happen is, let's say I'm going to add one more menu item, which is going to be a page. And let's call this the professional page. I'm going to click on add page. And once the page is added, let me show you how it basically associates with. So I'm going to add it in the main drop down, which is the home menu. And let's go ahead and rename it to something like SEO. Okay, let's call it that. I'm going to click on done. Now, once all of this is done, what you're going to be doing is obviously this has become a main drop down menu. So when someone goes ahead and hovers onto it, what's going to happen is a proper menu is going to be opening up for you. So to see how it actually works, what you can do is you can go over to your preview. Once you go over to your preview, as you hover over it, as you can see, a drop down is opened up. So that is how you're going to be customizing your drop down menu in Wix. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.